Hello and welcome, and in today's video we're taking a look at this JETech wireless Bluetooth keyboard. Now this keyboard can work with Android, Mac, Windows or any Bluetooth device that can be connected to. As you can see, this keyboard comes in some basic packaging. As well as the keyboard, you get of course your user manual and of course a lifetime warranty card, so any problems you can contact support and hopefully they can sort things out. At the keyboard you can see you got your battery indicator. This does take a battery and it has all your function keys along the top, as well as your normal function, control, shift and option command keys. At the back you got your battery port with your one AAA battery, as well as your on and off and connecting port. The profile of this keyboard is very thin. Remember, it's a plastic build with a metallic look. It looks good for its price. The keys have a decent amount of travel. Again, there's nothing amazing here. It is a very cheap and cheerful keyboard, but it will do the job. Overall, I'm really impressed with this keyboard for its price. If you want to check it out, check the video description down below. Comment on this video if you've got any questions, and of course share, like and subscribe to Army TV right here, and we'll see you on the next video.